Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel WXY Handmade. Today I'll show you how to make this adorable lavender bouquet. You can turn it into a pair of earrings or a necklace. It's perfect for wearing yourself or making as a thoughtful handmade gift. Before we begin, let's take a look at the whole process so you can get a better idea of how everything comes together. Take a piece of 0.3 mm copper wire, about 20 in long, fold it in half. String on one 3 mm pearl and 2 light-colored seed beads. Add one more light-colored seed beads. String on 3 seed beads. Separate the two ends of the wire. String on 7 seed beads. Thread the wire back through the first bead to form a loop. String on another 7 seed beads and thread the wire back through the first bead again. Repeat the same steps with the other end of the wire. Pinch the 4 petals together with your fingers. String on 3 green seed beads. Repeat the previous steps. This is what it looks like after making 4 layers. String on 20 green seed beads. Thread one end of the wire back through all the green seed beads and leaving the other end in place. Trim off the excess wire. Repeat the same process to make 2 more lavender flowers. Take another piece of 0.3 mm copper wire, about 10 in long. String on 10 seed beads and 1 3 mm pearl. Form them into a loop. String on another 10 seed beads and thread the wire back through the pearl. Repeat the same steps with the other end of the wire. String on 5 seed beads, then thread the wire back through 4 seed beads. Wrap the wire around twice to secure it. Repeat the same steps with the other end of the wire. Insert the lavender flowers into the bow. Apply UV resin to secure them. Cure the UV resin with a UV lamp. Open the jump ring and attach the lavender and the earring finding. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.